It's almost bedtime for my beautiful flock. I've been away for a little while because my good phone broke. And I didn't want to post poor quality videos. So I waited to get a good phone again. And here we are, finally. So everyone's pretty quiet for nighttime. But all 9 of my babies are happy and healthy. Some are already sleeping. That's Victor hiding in his floof. So, I'll be posting more videos again, keeping you up to date on Birdie's progresses. And very soon, let's see, this is January. So sometime in March, I should have a new special surprise for everyone. Gonna change our life up a little bit. So, good night, everybody, and hope to see you all on YouTube more often again. Good night.